Hey! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can pick new default apps on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. I will go with only Opera Mini browser. When you're ready, click on Home button and access Settings. Then choose Apps and Notifications, click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it over here, choose Opera Mini by tapping on it, and finally click on the Back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!